Up, y'all. We are headed to the beach, right, Nassim?
Yep.
Mom Duke over there looking in the front. So we're gonna take you around, give you a little look-see of what Coba grounds look like. Beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep. What? You gonna go pick it up?
Yeah, I want to try to do that.
Go ahead. He's gonna bite you. Now, see, gonna go try to pick up the iguana. We're gonna catch him getting bit. Go get him. He's right there. What you stopping for? Go get him. Why you go? He stopped, so go move. You move and go get him. Wasting the time. Good. Pick him up. You wasted my video, man. See, why are you telling your brother those lies? He did not pick up an iguana. He's a chicken back.
I'm not lying.
Just admit it.
Dude,
It's okay. I believe you.
I have it on video, nothing. You know, I'm gonna edit this in.
Video, nothing.
Oh yeah, he does.
Okay. All right, let's go to the beach.
You know, I'm gonna put under the caption and say he is a chicken back. So this is the bit of the rocky area by Grand Bahia, Coba, as you can see. We're in search of some fish, but it don't look like too many are out today over here. So, gonna enjoy the rest of this. Walk my butt back. Get up with the fam. How's it hanging out here, huh? Just want to say what's up to homie. What's up, homie? What's the word out here in Mexico, man? You about to let me know? What's really good out here? What's really hood, huh?
Y no sabrás de qué te perderás. Es un dilema del que tú ni yo podemos escapar. Procura tocarme más y no reparo de lo que te haré. Procura ser parte de mí, te aseguro que me hundo en ti. Procura no mirarme más y no sabes de qué te perderás. Es un dilema del que tú ni